Hey y'all, and welcome to Our Green Acres. I'm Teresa. I'm so excited for the video today, y'all. So glad y'all come on. I want to welcome everybody. And if you are new to our channel, big welcome. And if y'all have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Just hit that red subscribe button up there on the screen. Also, at the end of the video, I always put my Instagram handle and also my Facebook home decor page. Please go over and join me on both of those. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with Heidi Sonball's DIY monthly challenge. And the challenge for this month was, she said we could do whatever we wanted to do. So how fun is that? So after my video, go down to the description box below. There will be a link for the DIY challenge playlist. If you hit that, that'll take you to all the videos of everyone participating. And also, I'm going to have links to both of Heidi's channels. She has a DIY challenge and she also has a new home channel. So please make sure to go over and show her some love. So today, y'all, in my video, I'm going to show y'all how you can repurpose old cabinet doors. I'm going to try to give y'all some inspiration and some ideas of what to do with cabinet doors. You may run across them at thrift stores or yard sales. You may have them left over from a remodel like we did. We had 4. So I took those out of basically the trash because we'd taken them outside and they'd been out there for about a year. And we were just gonna trash them and we never had. So I walked by them the other day and I just got all these ideas for them all of a sudden. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to show y'all all the creative things we can do with cabinet doors. So I hope y'all find it fun and get some inspiration from it. And also I wanted to add that I throw in a Dollar Tree tray. This is just a Dollar Tree tray. I took the stencil that I used in the video that I got on Amazon, and I'm loving this stencil. And I'm going to put a link to this in the description box below also. So if y'all are interested and you want to get one, I'll have all the info for it down there. But y'all, this stencil is reusable. I washed it off each time I used it just to take better care of it, but I love it. So I'm going to show y'all a lot of ideas of what you can do with the stencil in the video. So anyway, y'all stay tuned and we'll get on with the video. I hope you enjoy it and you get some inspiration. And don't forget to go to the description box after my video and click on that link and look and watch all the rest of the videos, y'all. Thanks so much. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all can see me okay. It's kind of dark over in this area. This is my staging area. But I just want to show y'all a couple more things that weren't in the video. But you saw that I used a glass doorknob. I picked these up at a yard sale a while back. But also you can shop your home. This come off of a bubble bath jar. Bottle. So just shop your home. Sometimes perfume bottles have really nice, real decorative toppers, you know, and bubble bath bottles. So just FYI, you know, sometimes you can just find little things like this that would work also just around your home. And then I wanted to show y'all how you can take just some hooks, and you could go across the bottom with your hooks, and you could also do like a coffee bar stencil up here and put your mugs down here, and this would be so pretty staged in a coffee bar. So just another idea for your cabinet door. And then too, I had some Dollar Tree trellises that I bought last year, and I'd cut the bottoms off of them last year in a previous project, and I'd saved these. So I saw these in the closet the other day, and I just kind of wanted to show y'all this little trick too. You can, you know, if you have the trellis and you want to cut this off of it, or if you've, you know, been like me and kept it, you can paint this whatever color you want. And look, you could, you know, put it up here on here and glue it down, and that would give you some decorative scroll, you know, just a little bit of a different design on this one. You could put that one up here. Let me see if I can do this this door is heavy. But see, and then this is the other one. But see, just kind of line them up. And like I say, if you painted them, wouldn't that be pretty? And that would just add just another little bit of a detail to this. So I just kind of wanted to throw that out there. And then I wanted to show y'all the Dollar Tree tray that I made. Because this is the tray from Dollar Tree. And I worked on it in a previous project around Easter time, and I had spray painted it. And I tried to distress it, and it didn't distress well. So I ended up, I did not use this tray in my Easter video. So I still had this in my supplies. So I took it back out the other day because I'm still trying to use things that I already have at home and I haven't been out shopping. So I got it out and I just touched it up with some chalk paint, some ivory that I had, and then I used the same stencil on this, and I used burnt umber, the craft paint from Walmart. And I thought this turned out to be so cute for the tray, and you saw in the video how cute this stages. So just a $1 Dollar Tree tray and a nice stencil, and look at all the stuff that I created. So y'all, don't forget to go out after this video is over, click on the playlist and go watch the other videos, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks y'all. Bye.